Okay, Friday morning. A little bit slow this morning, not much. I mean, the highest scanner AB or the highest gapper this morning is 48% ABSI. Actually, I didn't trade that. It didn't. It had a first of all it had a 70 million float, so a little bit too high for my liking. It doesn't move as quickly, a little bit flaky, and then but the volume was okay, 30 million. A little bit higher price for my account. It was at 833, and any significant level would have to be over $10. So I couldn't take as many shares as I'd like. So I focused on the next leading gapper, even though it's up 25%. MRIN. It did have good news, a good catalyst. It came out yesterday after market, so it would be affected by today. MRIN Software announces Amazon DSP integration to expand Amazon advertising solutions. So anything with Amazon going to be good news, unless it's some catastrophe. Anyways, so saw it popping up in the scanners, and I really took a look. Actually, normally I trade pre-market, but this didn't really represent any opportunities pre-market, or at least I missed it because it was just too early for me. So I waited till market open, and it broke above this descending resistance line. Now this is the 5 minute, and this is the 1 minute. So where I took my trades was I wanted it to break this descending line and then retest the line and then break back through that retest. So it broke through, had a high of 65, came back down, retested at 55, and I got in for the new 1 minute candle to make a new high at 60s. And then I got out, it didn't break to 70s, which would be my 10-cent goal, so I got out at 66. So I made, first one I made was like $6-7. Yeah, for a 6-cent move with about 100 shares. The next one was a little bit better, a cleaner break. Again on the 1 minute, this is only 5-10 minutes later. It created this high at 73 that I missed, pulled all the way back and consolidated down at the volume weighted average price in the 9 and the 20 EMA. And so my new entry would be the break, the new 1 minute candle to make a new high off of this new resistance at 73.74. So it pushed up, cleanly broke. I got in at 78 and I sold at 91, and that was with 175 shares or whatnot, 12-13 cents. So it was a nice winner, and now I'm up $33. Best day so far with one stock to trade. I took 2 trades total within 15-20 minutes of each other, and that was that. Ever since then, it's been just selling off. It is a Friday, so most companies either don't put out news or they put out bad news, so people can forget about it over the weekends, and they generally put out good news at the start of the week. But it is a slow Friday, but I'm grateful for the 2 moves that did represent itself earlier on in the day. I'm gonna go enjoy my day now, and I'll see you guys on Monday.